Fear is a liar. It whispers in your ear, telling you you're not ready, that you're not enough. And if you listen, it wins. But the Stoics knew something we've forgotten. Fear isn't an enemy. It's the forge that shapes the warrior. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "If you are distressed by anything external, the pain is not due to the thing itself, but to your estimate of it." In other words, fear lives in the mind. What you call fear is just your imagination, running wild with shadows. A Stoic doesn't run from fear. He walks into it, slowly, steadily, without flinching. Why? Because he knows on the other side of fear is the life he was meant to live. Epictetus said, "We suffer more often in imagination than in reality." That speech you've been avoiding, that decision you've been postponing, that dream you've been keeping on the shelf, they're not dangerous. The real danger is the man who lets fear chain his potential. Here's the Stoic method to conquer fear. Step 1, face it in your mind. Picture the worst-case scenario in vivid detail. Step 2, accept it. Decide you can endure it if it happens. Step 3, act anyway. Courage is not the absence of fear. It's moving forward in spite of it. So the next time fear tries to hold you back, remember, you are not its servant. Look it in the eye and say, "You may walk beside me, but you will not lead me." The Stoics conquered empires, not because they had no fear, but because they had the discipline to master it. And so can you. Stand up, step forward, live without chains. If you're ready to take control of your thoughts, your emotions, and your life, don't wait for someday. My book, Master Your Mind, is the blueprint. Inside, you'll learn the Stoic strategies and mental disciplines used by warriors, leaders, and philosophers to stay unshakable in the face of chaos. Stop letting fear dictate your future. Click the link in My About Me, get the book, and start forging the man you were meant to be. Your mind is your greatest weapon. Master it,